Want to know what's better than making money while you sleep? Making money while you scroll TikTok. Stick around because I'm about to show you how my friend Will went from watching cat videos at his marketing job to building an AI empire that pays him $27,000 a month. And no, this isn't one of those buy my course to learn how to sell courses about selling courses situations. Hey there, future AI moguls. If you're anything like I was a year ago, you're probably tired of watching everyone else ride the AI wave while you're still paddling in the kiddie pool. Well, grab your surfboard because today we're catching the big one. But first, let me drop a truth bomb that might hurt a little. 82% of people trying to make money with AI are doing it wrong. They're like that person at the gym who's trying to get those abs but doing bicep curls, working hard but missing the point entirely. Today I'm sharing 3 AI side hustles that actually work. These are the strategies that turned my friend Will from a guy who couldn't code hello world into someone who now makes more money than his former boss. Now, speaking of Will, picture this. 8 months ago, Will was sitting in his cubicle trying to look busy while secretly watching YouTube tutorials on how to become an AI millionaire. Plot twist, he was watching my channel. But seriously, his student loans were higher than Snoop Dogg, and his bank account was looking emptier than a gym on New Year's Day. Fast forward to today, he's making $27,000 monthly while working less than my cat does. And trust me, my cat's professional napping schedule is pretty damn impressive. Let's talk about the AI market in 2024. It's bigger than your mom's reaction when you didn't become a doctor. We're talking $200 billion big. But here's the juicy part. 73% of that money is concentrated in just 5 areas. And today we're focusing on the top 3 that don't require you to have a PhD in rocket science or sell your kidneys for startup capital. Think of it like this. We are in the same position with AI that people were in with the internet in 1995. You know, back when people thought AOL was going to rule the world forever. If you're too young to remember these, well, congratulations. You probably don't have back problems yet. Before we dive into these secrets, let's talk about why most people fail at AI side hustles. Consider this, the what not to do guide, or as I like to call it, how to not look like your parents trying to program their TV remote. Mistake number 1, the spray and pray approach. You know that friend who joins every dating app at once and still can't get a match? That's what most people do with AI services. They're everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Will was guilty of this, and he was the AI equivalent of a guy trying to juggle chainsaws while riding a unicycle. Spoiler alert, it didn't end well. Mistake number 2, the tool trap. The I need every AI tool ever created syndrome. One of my students spent more money on AI tools than I spend on coffee. And I'm a serious coffee addict. Coffee. They dropped $2,300 before realizing they only needed 3 tools that cost less than their monthly Netflix subscription. Mistake number 3, the expertise fallacy. Everyone thinks you need to be some AI genius who dreams in binary code. Newsflash, 92% of successful AI entrepreneurs I've interviewed couldn't tell you what GPU stands for. Spoiler, it's not generally perplexed user, though that's what most of us are at first. All right, drum roll please. The first secret is building an AI course empire. But wait, before you roll your eyes so hard to get stuck, this isn't your typical create a course about creating courses nonsense. Let's break down the numbers. Here's an initial investment analysis. Basic setup, $297. And that's like 74 fancy coffee drinks. Essential AI tools, $49 a month. Less than your gym membership you never use. Course creation software, $199. Cheaper than those essential skincare products collecting dust. Total starting cost under $600, or as I call it, one panic shopping spree at Target. Beginner ROI scenario. Let's talk first 3 months, or as I like to call it, the ramen noodle phase. You're building your course and probably questioning all your life decisions. Investment, $600. Remember, that's less than your last impulse Amazon spree. Expected revenue, $0 to $500. And hey, Even Beyonce had to start somewhere. Months 4 through 6, the maybe I won't die poor phase. First real sales start rolling in. Monthly revenue, $1,000 to $2,500. Now you can upgrade from ramen to actual food. Student count, 20 to 50. More people than showed up to your last birthday party. Price point, $47 to $97. Now that we've talked numbers, let me show you exactly how to turn these digits into your reality. Here's the blueprint that turned Will from what's AI to why didn't I start sooner? Step 1, niche selection, or as I call it, finding your AI soulmate. Use these 3 AI tools to find profitable course topics. Google Trends API. It's like having a crystal ball, but it actually works. Answer the public. Think of it as eavesdropping on the internet's thoughts. Reddit API analysis, because if Reddit's talking about it, it's probably worth something. Step 2, content creation. Here's your automated course creation workflow. Map out core modules using ChatGPT. Create engaging scripts with Cloud. Generate visuals with Midjourney. Record once, repurpose infinitely. Step 3, launch strategy. Pre-launch. Build anticipation with AI-generated social proof. Soft launch. Beta test with a small group at 50% off. And then full launch. Leverage AI tools for automated marketing. Scale. Clone successful modules into new niches. This is exactly how we'll use this process to identify and dominate a $27,000 a month opportunity. Spoiler alert, his first course was teaching people how to automate their entire social media presence with AI. Talk about meta. Now, before I blow your mind with secrets 2 and 3, let's talk about your next move.
What's your next move?
You're probably thinking, this is great, but I'll forget everything in about 5 minutes. Don't worry, I've got you covered like cheese on nachos. That's why I've created something special for you. It's my free AI Side Hustle Starter Kit, and you can download it by clicking the link in the description. And the best part, it's completely free. Why? Because I know once you see these results, you'll be smashing that subscribe button faster than Will closes his laptop on Friday. Because I'm going to show you how to take these AI tools and turn them into your own personal money printing machine. Money! Between secret number 2 and number 3, you'll discover why Will now introduces himself as a professional beach reviewer at parties. Trust me, what I'm about to show you makes secret number 1 look like a lemonade stand at a Tesla convention. Now buckle up, Buttercup, because secret number 2 is about to make your jaw drop harder than Will's did when he saw his first 5-figure month. Welcome to what I like to call the Netflix of niche websites. Imagine owning a network of websites that make money while you're binge watching Wednesday. That's exactly what we're about to dive into. And hold on to your keyboards, because this is better than finding extra fries at the bottom of your takeout bag. Here's a little current market analysis. Content websites sold in 2023, 14,327. More than my failed attempts at starting a diet. Average multiple, 34 times monthly revenue. Better returns than your crypto investments, am I right? Let's discuss the beginner phase. The what am I doing? Typically through months 1 and 3. Investment breakdown. Domain and hosting, $150 a year. Less than your monthly takeout budget. AI writing tools, $29 a month. The price of 2 large pizzas. SEO tools, $99 a month. Your monthly coffee shop visits, but actually productive. Initial content, $500. About what you spent on that exercise equipment, now serving as a clothing rack. Now here's where it gets spicy. Remember Will? He turned 1 website into 7 faster than rabbits multiplied. Here's his exact blueprint. Site number 1, the guinea pig, usually months 1 through 3. Topic, AI tools reviews. Investment, $800. Month 3 revenue, $1,200. Traffic, 15,000 monthly visitors. People are lazier than we thought. And they'll pay good money for honest reviews. Site number 2 and number 3, the twins, months 4 through 6. Cloned the winning formula. Different niches, same systems. Combined revenue, $3,500 a month. Pro tip, use the same content structure, but different industries. It's like copying your homework, but changing enough so the teacher doesn't notice. Sites number 4 and 5, the power move, months 7 through 12. Added affiliate programs. Implemented email marketing. Revenue jumped to $12,000 a month. Secret sauce, created an AI content generation system that's smoother than butter on toast. Sites number 6 and 7, The Empire Strikes Back, months 13 through 18. Focus on high-ticket niches. Added digital products. Total Empire revenue, $27,000 a month. The kicker now spends less time managing 7 sites than he used to spend watching cat videos at his old job. If the website empire got you excited, what's coming next is going to melt your brain. Ready to turn your zero coding skills into a software empire? Welcome to the Tech Mogul without the tech degree segment. Don't worry, the most complicated thing you'll need to remember is your Netflix password. Let me paint you a picture of why this opportunity is hotter than your phone after too many TikTok scrolls. Market opportunity, AI SaaS valuation, 18 times higher than traditional SaaS. That's like your Pokemon cards actually being worth something. Entry barrier, lower than your willpower at 2 a.m. near a fridge. Average user retention, 14 months, longer than most New Year's resolutions. Now let's talk money. Initial investment, no code AI platform, $99 a month. API credits, $200 a month. Marketing tools, $150 a month. Total startup, under $2,000. All right, let's get into the juicy part. Turning this investment into your personal ATM. Here's the exact blueprint Will used. Step number 1, problem identification. Instead of trying to build the next chat GPT, because let's face it, we've got enough chatty AI. Focus on solving real problems, like Will's menu description AI. It turns boring chicken sandwich into handcrafted artisanal poultry creation nestled in locally sourced artisan bread. Restaurants ate it up, pun intended. Step number 2, no code solution building. Pick your weapon of choice. Bubble.io for the I want it all approach. Flutterflow for the make it pretty crowd. Adalo for the keep it simple squad. Pro tip, Will started with Bubble because it's like Lego for adults. You can't really mess it up. Step 3, money making features. Add these 3 must-haves. Subscription options, because who doesn't love recurring revenue? Automation triggers, so you can sleep while it works. Analytics dashboard, to watch those numbers go up and up and up. Step number 4, launch and learn. Beta test with 10 businesses. Bribe them with lifetime deals if you must. Gather feedback, the good, the bad, and the why didn't I think of that. Iterate faster than your last relationship ended. Step number 5, scale baby scale. Automate customer onboarding. Clone successful features. Build in public. Now for the part you've been waiting for, the show me the money breakdown. First 6 months, the please don't fail phase. Users 50 to 100. More than your Instagram followers when you started. Monthly revenue, $2,500 to $5,000. Churn rate, 5%. Lower than gym membership cancellations in February. Months 7 through 12, the holy moly, this actually works phase.
It actually worked.
Users, 200 to 500. Monthly revenue, $10,000 to $25,000. Churn rate down to 3%. People are stickier than gum on a shoe now. And here's the best part. Will's Menu AI started with just 1 local restaurant. Now it serves over 500 restaurants nationwide. And he hasn't written a menu description in months. Talk about living the dream. Before you sprint off to build your AI empire, here's your don't mess this up crash course. Now look, I could bore you with 20 minutes of legal jargon, but let's keep it real. Here's what you actually need to know. Register your business because your mom's basement isn't a legal entity. Get basic insurance, cheaper than your phone insurance you never use. And keep your business money separate from your late night Amazon shopping money. Also, maybe don't put all your eggs in one AI basket. Diversify like you're making an investment playlist. And always have an exit strategy, because sometimes you need to break up with your business like that ex who still has your Netflix password. And there you have it, folks. From Will watching cat videos to building a $27,000 monthly AI empire, the best part, he still watches cat videos, but now he does it from his beach house. Remember, 5 years from now, people will wish they started in 2024. Don't be the person telling stories about how you could have been an AI millionaire. Be the person making everyone jealous at your high school reunion. And this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building something sustainable while everyone else is still arguing about whether AI will take over the world. And spoiler alert, if it does, at least you'll be rich enough to buy a robot-proof bunker. The choice is yours. Keep scrolling through success stories or become one. And hey, worst case scenario, you'll learn enough about AI to sound really smart at dinner parties.